In this video, I will tell you about top 10 biggest malls in the world. Number 10. Central Plaza Westgate. Location Nonthaburi, Thailand. Opened in 2015. Gross leasable area 48,46,750 square feet. Number 9. One Utama. Located in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. Opened in year 1995. Gross leasable area 50,10,000 square feet. Number 8. Isfahan City. Located in Isfahan, Iran. Opened in year 2012. Gross leasable area 50,11,000 square feet. Number 7. Dubai Mall. Located in UAE, Dubai. Opened in year 2008. Gross leasable area 50,90,000 square feet. Number 6. SMC Site City, Philippines. Located in Cebu, Philippines. Opened in year 2015. Gross leasable area 50,64,270 square feet. Number 6. SM Mega Mall. Located in Mandaluyong City, Philippines. Opened in year 1991. Gross leasable area 51 lakh square feet. Number 5. SM City North Edsa Mall. Located in Quezon City, Philippines. Opened in year 1985. Gross leasable area 53,60,000 square feet. Number 4. Iconcima Mall. Located in Bangkok, Thailand. Opened in year 2018. Gross leasable area 56,60,000 square feet. Number 3. Golden Resources. Located in Beijing, China. Opened in year 2004. Gross leasable area 58,12,511 square feet. Number 2. SM Taijin Mall. Located in Taijin, China. Opened in year 2016. Gross leasable area 58,12,511 square feet. Number 1. South China Mall. Located in Dongguan, China. Opened in year 2005. Gross leasable area 71 lakh square feet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel Truth of the World.